This is the HornBlasters 2-chime 3-liter air horn kit. Included in this kit, the extremely loud and easy to install 2-chime air horn has a pre-installed air valve, comes with stainless steel hardware, and 20 foot of 1/4-inch airline. The air in this system is supplied by our 3-liter air source kit that has a pre-installed airline fitting, gauge, and is pre-wired with a 90 to 120 psi pressure switch. You'll also get the mounting hardware for the tank. Now the wiring in the system, you're gonna get our universal wiring kit that comes with all of the necessary terminal connectors and fuses to install the system. You're gonna get the fuse holder, toggle switch, push button, 40 amp relay, HornBlasters airline cutter, as well as the necessary power wire. The main red power wire is 22 feet, and the other 2 wires that come with this kit are both individually 22 feet. Because remember, a HornBlaster system comes with everything you need to install the complete system on your vehicle right out of the box. Again, guys, this is the HornBlasters 2-chime 3-liter air horn kit.